six-man tag team action coming up.
And don't you even dare think of reaching for that remote. You're not going to want to miss this one.
Here comes the Bonzen Foundation.
Byron, are you friends with Anderson and Gallows?
I'd like to consider myself on good terms with them.
Because they talk about you a lot.
Oh, yeah? What do they say?
They say, nerd!
And his opponent, first, at a combined weight of 505 pounds, Luke Gallows and Karl Anderson, the Outlaws.
Bonafide legends in the land of the rising sun. Anderson and Gallows, two of my favorite people to be around outside of the ring, because inside they're all business.
I'd like to hang out with Anderson and Gallows outside of the ring.
You would never be invited to brother softly with these two guys. I'd like to have abs like Anderson.
Oh, yeah, me too.
Look who's here! Here we go. Somebody's about to get beat up.
And his opponent, first, from Reno, Nevada, weighing in at 281 pounds, Jim the Anvil Neidhart.
Jim the Anvil Neidhart, just a force to be reckoned with. Here comes the Hitman.
Oh, yeah, the excellence of execution.
And his opponent, first, from Calgary, Alberta, Canada, weighing in at 235 pounds, Bret, the Hitman Hart.
I gotta say, guys, it is an absolute honor to be here ringside to call a match featuring the excellence of execution.
How funny it is to hear you change your tune, Saxton. You've been complaining about the Hitman's attitude recently, and I think it's ridiculous. The only thing you've ever excelled at is being subpar.
I have the utmost respect for Bret Hart, but I don't appreciate the fact that he seems to not believe that people still respect him the way they have over the last 10 years.
Here we go again. 3-on-3 action underway now.
Guys, I have a feeling this is the type of match we'll go back and look at 3 or 4 times over the course of next week. We are watching the master of the sharpshooter in the ring right now.
Any opponents better bring their A game or a pair of crutches. Caught him with a big boot.
On the mark.
Nailed it. And he's heading back in. Oh, what a forearm.
That was dirty.
Oh, what a kick to the face.
Oh, my God.
I don't believe it.
And that table can shorten careers, Michael.
Keep your eye on this one. I don't believe it.
And that table can shorten careers, Michael.
Irish whip. Boom, what impact.
Watch out.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
Oh, nasty impact. Oh, what's this gonna be? Uh-oh.
Oh, boy.
He might have it.
So far, so good, guys. That injury doesn't seem to be negatively impacting this superstar one bit.
Dominating shoulder tackle.
I don't believe it.
And that table can shorten careers, Michael.
He doesn't want to do this outside the ring.
And Bret Hart slips out of harm's way.
So quick.
Michael, I'm not surprised to see the injury be a non-factor here. According to the medical staff, it's absolutely something you can play through, as they say.
To even call it an injury might be irresponsible of us. I mean, depending on your definition of injury, you can say that you're playing hurt added into every single match of your career. I'm sorry, but it's true.
I don't believe it.
And that table can shorten careers, Michael.
Oh, knocked him right off his feet.
Yeah, no kidding.
For some reason, I found myself reading one of those unreliable so-called sports center.
And now one more time.
Oh my goodness, what impact.
Jim the Anvil Neidhart is looking to end this right now.
Oh, power slam by the Anvil.
Incredible impact. Following up on what you were saying earlier, Corey, injuries.
Uh-oh. Powerbomb! He'd better hope he can sustain this. Suplex!
What can Luke Gallows do now to get the ball rolling again? At this point, I'd say he's probably better off taking a tag to one of his partners.
Well, he's clearly not used to competing in a match like this, and it's starting to show.
Yeah, he's clearly not on the right side of this match right now, which is a little surprising to me.
Ouch.
Gallows able to get out of the way there. Nice little dodge ski.
Oh, so ruthless.
Now that's how you use a table to your advantage.
A side slam. Look out. When this guy's on, look out.
Harsh impact. Slam!
Now it's Karl Anderson in defensive mode. Rather than continuing to absorb any more punishment, he might want to tag you.
Gotta believe this one's over. Ooh! Ooh-wee!
Oh no, Irish whip. The end may be near, folks. He may very well have reached the point of no return here in this six-man tag team match.
I think this one's over. Yeah, things certainly appear to be trending in the wrong direction for him right now, guys.
This might be it.
Oh my.
Stop in the leg.
Just nasty.
I don't know how much more Karl Anderson can endure.
I agree, Cole. It's about time to hit the showers and drown your sorrows.
He may very well be running on instinct right now.
Karl Anderson isn't feeling so hot right now.
Expert insight, Byron.
Thank you.
He wants to do this in the ring. Bang! There he goes, crashing to the floor.
What impact. Gallows able to get out of the way there. Nice little dodge ski.
Gallows has to find a way to get back on offense.
Yeah, this match is going to be over.
I have a feeling this isn't going to end well for him.
Oh, so ruthless. Now that's how you use a table to your advantage.
Suplex. Irish whip.
This might be it. Oh, my. Nailed it. Ooh-wee.
The Hitman looking a bit fatigued. He's got to remember he has two partners ready to enter the fray here.
Yeah, but the good news is that he still appears to be in better condition than his opposition right now.
Vertical suplex.
Nice.
And it's reversed.
Beautiful side Russian leg sweep.
Oh, what incredible power. Wow, what a vertical suplex. It's starting to look bleak for, oh my God. Oh, so ruthless.
Now that's how you use a table to your advantage. Whoa, Anderson dodged that one. Harsh impact.
Bringing it back into the ring.
Oh, so ruthless. Now that's how you use a table to your advantage. I don't believe it.
And that table can shorten careers, Michael.
Lariat. I don't believe it.
And that table can shorten careers, Michael.
Oh, so ruthless. Now that's how you use a table to your advantage. Uh-oh.
Oh, what a slam! That hurt! Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. Knee drop. This is what makes him one of the best in the business. He's struggling a bit here. Rather than continuing to absorb any more punishment, he might want to tag out here.
At this point, he really has to think about mixing it up a bit. Maybe implement more of a Gallows takes him down. Hooked up. That could dislocate your shoulder.
He wants no part of the outside. A quick reversal by Jim the Anvil Neidhart.
He's not in a good spot here, guys. He simply needs to find a way to regroup.
Back in from the floor.
Oh, chin-breaking uppercut. I don't believe it.
And that table can shorten careers, Michael.
Now back to the ring.
I don't believe it.
And that table can shorten careers, Michael.
I don't believe it.
And that table can shorten careers, Michael.
Yeah, no question. He's showing great energy as usual.
Lightning fast reflexes. What a strike. Ooh, he goes down hard.
Yeah, he's definitely starting to fade now.
Not where he wants to be right now. Hey, he got himself into this mess.
He's got to get himself out of it now. Comes up big with the reversal. Thrust right to the throat.
The man can't breathe, the man can't fight.
Oof. Takes him down.
In a major way, too.
And Bret Hart slips out of harm's way.
So quick.
Pimble in play. Oh, shin breaker.
Irish whip.
And that one drops him. Somebody's on a mission tonight.
He wants no part of the outside.
Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered. Dropped. And that was a hard shot, Corey. Yeah, you might want to think about throwing in the towel at this point. Got the reversal.
Beautiful technique.
Drop kick hits the mark. You gotta believe this one's over. Devastating elbow. And Jim the Anvil Neidhart says, not this time. Ooh.
Back now inside the ring.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. Karl Anderson with a nice reversal.
Oh, so ruthless. Now that's how you use a table to your advantage. What impact.
Got the full Nelson.
This might be it. Oh my.
The Anvil not looking good right now. At this point, I'd say he's probably better off taking a tag to one of his partners.
He's looked great up until now, and it's imperative that he doesn't lose focus and let his opponent back into this match.
Oh boy, he is rolling. Oh, a shin breaker.
breaker. Gonna be hard to... Oh, shows no mercy.
In that poor chair. It looks like a twisted heap.
Whack! Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat. Whack! Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat. Whack! Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat.
Nasty kick to the face.
Oh, shows no mercy.
In that poor chair. It looks like a twisted heap.
You gotta believe this one's over. You're not going to win many matches absorbing punishment like that.
Look at the height. Beautiful technique.
And there's the reversal from Luke Gallows. Oh, he's able to reverse it. And what a reversal from Luke Gallows. Bret Hart with a nice reversal.
Oh, and he's taken off his feet.
I'll tell you, he can't afford to be horizontal at this point in the match, Cole.
Bret Hart is not going to like this. What a strike. Right on the mark.
Ooh! Look at Jim the Anvil Reinhardt. Jumping neck breaker. I don't believe it.
And that table can shorten careers, Michael.
I don't believe it.
And that table can shorten careers, Michael.
Oh, my big time slam.
Vicious.
He'd better hope he can sustain this.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
And with the cutter.
And there's the reversal from Luke Gallows.
Whack! Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat.
Nope, reverses it.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
On, he dodges out. Here it is.
Oh my God.
Looks like setting up for a suplex.
Side Russian leg sweep.
Oh, perfect form.
Ring rattling. Nailed it. And there's his speed paying off.
And Bret Hart slips out of harm's way.
So quick. One check. What a strike.
Harsh impact.
Boom, what impact. Too quick for him there.
Yeah, no question. He's showing great energy, as usual.
Ooh, what impact. Oh, incredible height.
I know Luke thinks this is a solid strategy, but I'm not so sure.
Oh, he's such a tough target. Quick thinking to avoid that one.
These athletes seem to have tried everything in their playbook. Oh, there's more in their arsenal, I promise you that. I don't know what it is, but they'll find it.
Oh, so ruthless.
Now that's how you use a table to your advantage.
Oh, so ruthless.
Now that's how you use a table to your advantage.
Nasty impact. Oh, clothesline. Oh, here it comes. Oh, man.
Spiked him. Oof.
Jim the Anvil Neidhart has taken a lot of damage. I'm not sure how much more he can take. I mean, it looks to me like he's almost completely out.
He has got to do something quick.
Irish whip.
Now, what's this going to be? Uh-oh. Power bomb!
He's bringing it back inside the ring now.
Oh, he turns it around. Uh-oh. Man, what a slam.
What's the next move for Gallows Anderson to turn things around quickly to remain in this thing? He's got to remember he has two partners ready to enter the fray here.
Sounds to me like this crowd's a little shocked to see him on the receiving end here. And you know what? I kind of am too.
Sure, he'd rather not be on the receiving end here, but let's not lose focus of the fact that he's in far better shape than his opponent right now.
Harsh impact.
Bringing it back between the ropes. Caught off guard. And he's heading back in. Watch this here. Luke Gallows can't be enjoying this.
Gallows able in play.
I know Luke thinks this is a solid strategy, but I'm not so sure.
Nailed it. Backbreaker. Reverses that one. Oh, and a knee. And another boom. What impact.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
This might be it.
Oh, my.
Boom.
Uh-oh.
Oof. Suplex.
Oh boy, he is rolling. Here's Anderson live and up close.
Luke Gallows in some trouble here. Rather than continuing to absorb any more punishment, he might want to tag out here.
The bottom line here is that despite what's going on right now, he's still in much more favorable health than his opponent.
This can go a variety of different ways, Corey.
And almost none of them are good. Gotta make a move here.
Yeah, the longer this goes on, the greater the chance of escape.
Oh, so ruthless.
Now that's how you use a table to your advantage.
Woo-wee.
And there's the reversal from Bret Hart.
Irish whip.
He has the ability to turn it on in a heartbeat.
And he's taken down with authority.
I think I felt the ground shake on that one.
Oh, and he connects. There's no reason to lose your footing on a move like that. Come on, toughen up.
Jim, the Anvil, Neidhart, and Bret, the Hitman, Hart.
Impressive victory for the team, especially Jim, the Anvil Neidhart, who really helped put this one away.
You know, it didn't happen often, but I can attest, being pinned is humiliating.